Hello, today I'm in Toyota Proace. In this video I'll show you how to start navigation route. In the beginning take a look at the screen display and next go to navigation. Go to menu and now enter address. Firstly go to city, enter street, and also you can change country before. Enter street, then home number, and it's done. If you want to stop navigation route, go to menu and select stop navigation. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.